This is Jim Hunt for Bramisol's Insights to Action podcast series. Birgit Starmanns back with us. She's the global head of Office of CFO, COE Thought Leadership, Strategy and Programs in the SAP Global Center of Excellence for Finance and Risk. And today we're going to talk about the 360-degree view of risk processes and employees and accounting. So Birgit, it's really great to have you back again.
Thanks so much for having me back, Jim.
So why don't we start off with an overview of what the 360-degree view is?
Well, 360, I feel, is a term that has been thrown around a lot. But if you look at the classic definition, it's really the process of gathering all the information that there possibly can be about a topic. So the idea is that there's not just one measurement of success, but there are many elements that are part of it. So a lot of times we'll think of 360 employee evaluations or project evaluations. And if you think about a project as an example, the success of it depends on a lot of different things. So yeah, there's the outcome and we're done, but was it successful and how do you know? Was it finished on time? Was it early? Was it late? And then when you look at a quality outcome, to not go into a very elaborate project management discussion, was there a quality product? For example, we're designing a product and we put it out there into the market. Yes, we did that, but how do we measure that? So from a manufacturing standpoint, it might be very much a quality product, but what if no customers wanted to buy it? Was the project still a success? Did it reach its ultimate goals? So that goes back to what are we trying to accomplish and how do we measure it? And when it comes to business, we've heard 360-degree view the most when it comes to customers, really looking at the 360-degree view of a customer, but that can really be related to all types of business partners, whether it's customers, whether it's vendors, and yes, employees. And with new technologies, finding what that comprehensive view is and all the details that you need to measure to really find out, did you have a successful outcome in those relationships, in those projects that you have with these external partners? That's the most critical piece. Have all the touch points been identified, and how are we really going to manage success?